Hey everybody, Jesse here from Seattle Boat Company. Wanted to take a little bit of your time to talk about some things that you might want to bring when you're going out for a day boating. First, let's start with your safety equipment. So what you want to make sure and have is enough life jackets for everybody on board. There's a few different styles of life jackets, and what might be the best life jacket for you is kind of up to your discretion. I recommend having a combination of water sports life jackets and then some of your classic orange safety life jackets. You want to bring ropes and fenders in case you tie up to a dock or link up with a friend and tie up to a boat. It's nice to have those ropes and fenders just so you aren't left holding the boat off the dock in case someone wants to run ashore. Let's talk about food. You know, being out in the water, you will get hungry, you will get thirsty, so bring a cooler, bring some water, bring some snacks. It is nice to have that on board. One little recommendation, try to bring snacks that might not mess up your boat too much. Another thing I want to talk about is clothing. So one thing you'll want to really make sure and remember is sunglasses. The glare that comes off the water can be pretty intense, so protecting your eyes is key. We're also in the Northwest. Weather can change pretty quick, so bringing a light jacket, a sweatshirt, some sort of long sleeves in case you stay out late, gets a little cold, is definitely nice to have. And then also a hat. Got to protect that face from those damaging rays. One of the last things I want to talk about bringing is stuff for fun. You know, you want to make sure you have your music. You want to make sure you have stuff to go float in the water. So football, frisbee, things like that. So just make sure you have those different things so when you are out on the water all day, you have your bases covered and you have the best day possible. Thanks for listening.